For today's activity, you'll be matching base words with the base word Y suffix. For this activity, you will be uncovering 2 cards at a time until you find a match. Does ice and foggy match? No. So then I'm going to put them back on and find another match. Does ice and icy match? Yes, you have the base word ice in each of the words with the other word having the suffix Y. Once you find the match, you will then write the match in the chart to the right. So I write ice here and icy here. Do this until you have completed all 8 matches. Submit your assignment in Schoology when you are done.